Hello, Adam Kopeć, Excel lover from Poland. If you want to find the date after a certain number of work days, you can use in Excel workday function. You just need the start date and the number of working days. And Excel will return the date after the corresponding number of working days. And it's important that workday function doesn't consider the start date in calculation. So if you want just move one work day, you will go to the next working day. And in workday function you can even add holidays. Just select range with proper dates, and you have to remember to lock the F4 key. And we can change our whole formula, and a bit our dates will change a bit. Okay, we have now working dates after a certain number of work days. Workday function consider weekend as Saturday and Sunday, and it's correct in most of the countries, but sometimes we want to modify this. For example, we want just Sunday to be weekend. So then we have to use workday INTL function. And we also have a start date and the number of working days, but the third argument is the weekend. So we can change the days that are weekends. And as I said, we want to only Sunday be a weekend. So we write here 11, and we also can even add holidays, F4 to lock them. And we have our whole formula now with Sunday, just Sunday as a weekend. And now our results will differ because Saturday is now a working day.